Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you to my PTE video. I don't believe I'm making PTE videos now, right? Okay, now I touched PTE just because of you guys. Many students requested me continuously on my WhatsApp. They said, "Sir, make PTE videos. We need PTE videos." And then I realized PTE is easier than IELTS, and the students who find IELTS difficult, instead of taking IELTS, they can go for PTE, and at least they can reach Australia, UK, and now in Canada as well, right? Anyways, let's make a start. I'm going to define one PTE question type. There are 20 different types of questions, and you've got to learn the techniques, and these 20 question types are more like video games. You got to do it on your laptop, and you're going to enjoy that. Okay, let's make a start. Okay, now we've got answer short question, right? This is interesting, but sometimes it becomes difficult, but don't worry, it doesn't make huge difference. It's going to give you like few marks. Even if you don't do it, there's no problem, you can always guess. Answer short question. Short question means it's a short question and you got to answer. Now, introduce the item type. I'm going to introduce that to you first. Okay, answer short question. It's very simple. You will hear a question, and then you've got to give simple and short answer. Often just one or few words, that is enough, right? So short answer, sometimes answer can be water, answer can be coffee, right? One word answer, or sometimes it can be a couple of words and all that, right? Now status question will begin within few seconds. You can adjust the volume as per your requirement, whatever you want, okay? And then you will record your answer, and they'll give you some time to do that, okay? Now let me give you strategies for that. Straight into strategies. Here we are. Strategy number 1, activate your background knowledge, okay? Because you know, sometimes these questions are simple. I would not say general knowledge questions, but I would say common sense questions. So you got to answer some common sense questions, okay? To answer the question, and identify the topic and think about what you already know about the topic. So you need to identify, and you need to see what you already know about the topic, and that's going to help you. Strategy number 2, try to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words. Infer, try to guess the meaning of unfamiliar words. For example, if they use any word and you're not familiar with that, you can just see the contextual meaning. Remember, there are 4 types of words which give you clear meaning. Number 1, verb. Number 2, noun, common noun. Number 3, adjective. And number 4, adverb. So if you identify the part of speech the word contains, you can easily guess the meaning as well. If it is a verb, it must be an action. If it is a noun, it must be name of a thing, place, and all that stuff, right? Okay, listen for direction word. Direction word will tell you, which will help you interpret the question accurately. Now, for example, if I say, what do we call water body? Now, the direction word is water body. What do we call water body? Ocean, sea, lake, pond, or anything like that. Pond, okay, not pond, pond, right? So like this you can do. So you need to practice, and I tell you again, it's not going to give you, like, it's not very important, but still you need to answer every question. Don't leave anything, because there is artificial intelligence behind. So you need to answer the question, and there is one right answer, sometimes 2 words, sometimes 3 words, but you must answer. Even if you don't understand, just write something and write a word, English word, okay? Don't write A, B, C, D, okay? Don't write X, Y, Z and all that, okay? So guys, thank you so much. I also teach PTE online and in campus in Lahore, and online all over the world. If you wish to be the part of my PTE classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. And we also book PTE exams. If you are interested in PTE, you can contact us for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.